This is Holly, my 1984 Ford 1710. I bought the tractor for $2,500. It was sitting in a barn for like 15 years, untouched. Started right up with a fresh battery and some diesel. And I've been using the tractor ever since. I've serviced it, I fixed it up a little bit, I repainted the hood, but I want to take it to the next level. So today we are going to start the disassembly to get Holly sandblasted and painted. Okay, so I had to phone a friend. When I took all the safeties off last night, I disabled the neutral safety. So Dan was able to diagnose it over on a wiring diagram over the phone. And now we can put it on the trailer. So let's take Holly out. The Holly skeleton. Holy cow. Okay, so we put down our first coat of self-etching automotive primer. We sanded the fenders down, got everything off. I'm gonna do a couple coats and then wet sand. We're slowly but surely assembling Holly back together. So the fenders are repainted. This is a new handle from Long Lane Tractor. The covers are painted, new headlight. These are headlight covers from a different tractor. Got new hardware at the hardware store and we are putting her back together. She looks great. Putting all the hoses back together. Oh my God. It's been a lot of work, but thank you to Atlantic Hydraulic in Yonkers, New York for getting us these awesome Manuli hoses made up for Holly. They look great. And they're gonna be good now. All right, just a couple more things and she's ready to rock. I finished wiring up the fenders. Holly is done. Much better. Look at that. 2 bushings. You're welcome. All right, so we are on our way home. We have a blue trailer to bring home the blue tractor. Thank you, Saltarelli, for letting us borrow it, because mine isn't available right now. This is awesome. Couldn't have picked a worse day to bring it home, but we need it for a project this week, so there's no time like the present. Let's go.